Well, good evening and welcome to another Thursday night. I am dedicating this video to my 43 loyal subscribers. David?
I think I'm subscriber number 1.
Oh, are you?
No, but
Are you a subscriber
I
at
am
all?
a subscriber. Long-time subscriber.
Okay, and we have Thomas with us over here.
I think I'm number 43.
Number 43. All right, so this video goes to all you guys. So we're heading up Mount Margaret on a very chilly day. Yeah, we got out of the car. It was downright cold.
Well, most importantly, it's Dave's birthday today.
Oh, it's Dave's birthday! Happy birthday!
Thank you.
Yeah.
All
So-
made treats that are tucked away.
Oh, treats. We love treats. So 3 miles. How much gain did I say? Do you remember? 1,500 feet of gain. And we expect snow. There was a little bit of snow on the road on the way up here, to the side of the road. In the ditch, yeah. And this is almost the end of May. May 31st. It is the end of May. Yeah, odd that birthday boy remembers the date. Yeah, funny thing. So, nice views from the top. I'm sure we'll be kicking steps up the snowfields to get there.
Doug will be kicking steps.
Yeah, because I'm so prepared with my shorts and no gaiters. And should be a nice hike. The odds of overheating are low. And I think I lost my glove. I hate that when it happens. I had 2 left-handed gloves anyway, so what the heck. All right, we'll keep you posted. Not even a mile up, and we got patchy snow. It just comes and goes as we go up here in the clear cut. And I'm guessing by the time we get over to those trees over there, it's going to be solid snow. First view spot. Get our first view of Mount Catherine, and then back there is Silver Peak. Lots of snow on Silver yet. I'm not sure we come up here and look up. I'm thinking at the top all we're going to get a view of is the fog, but we'll see. We have given up on the trail and we're just going up this way. I don't know if there's been any traffic on the trail or not, but it doesn't matter. We're just kind of going that way.
You might try to view.
Really?
Yeah.
All right. I'm just going to hold the camera. And on we go up the mountain.
Oh God, how manly. Oh my God.
You'll control yourself.
All right, turn around and say hi.
We are just meandering along the top of the ridge. I think the trail is off to our right. So we got a nice opening, so we're just doing it. Yeah, it just over to the right a little ways. And away we go. All right, we are at the top of the ridge. Gang's heading up there, including Montana, who's staying back with me. Hi, Montana. Good girl. And you can see we got tree wells. Down there in the clear cut, there are places where they are about 6 feet deep. These look like maybe 2. Oh, we got David behind us. That's why Montana's back with us.
Helping my dog.
Oh, nice of you.
She's doing her business.
Yeah. Good job. Up on the top of the ridge, getting very close to the top. Up the little rock crevice near the top. And we just came up the ridge. Mount Margaret is over the hill here. I'm gonna walk over and take a look. We're trying to talk Thomas into going swimming. There it is. Oh, there's open water at the end of the lake. Thomas, you could do it. You got what?
Gotta hike down there though.
Yeah, it's true. Cut them steps, David. Well done, thank you. Might catch us down there in the valley. Snoqualmie Pass in the ski area up that way.
Hello.
All right, so David, where are we?
We are on the True Falls summit of
The
Mount Margaret.
True Falls Summit.
That sounds like a double negative.
Yeah. So
Well, you can not be correct.
down there is Lake Margaret. Over there you can just barely see Lake Cochise.
Unless I work at it a little bit.
And over there is the True Summit. So we'll head over yonder. And off there is Chickaman. And
Who's there?
we got to go downhill pretty good to get back up.
Jana who?
The last little bit up towards the summit. David's on his way. The summit's just over those rocks. All right, we're at the summit, and as we suspected, it is a little bit chilly. It's breeze is blowing pretty good, but it's way better. We can see more than just the fog. It's a very nice night to be up here. That's my assessment. Bill, do you agree?
I agree.
I second that motion.
All right.
All in
Another
favor?
5 helmet.
I think it's unanimous.
All in favor?
We're going to go down and take our summit photo and then start heading back for the cars. We're going to follow the same route we followed in, and we'll be down in a bit. Nice.
Okay.
Oh, we are going to come over here?
Yep.
Okay. Summit photo over here. Dad gummit. We'll see if this actually works. Oh, it's snowing! Well, I don't know if it doesn't actually have to hit the ground to be called snow. It's just blowing sideways on us.
Oh man.
31st of May.
Birthday!
Happy birthday! Steve, have you seen the intersection sign?
I can't find it. I'm looking all over the place. I don't see it.
Uh-huh. Yeah, the straight man. Oh, there it is!
It's at my foot.
Better walk on your hands now.
Yep, it's all good.
And then Neil.
All right.
Yeah, get down and make that sign the right height. There we go, nice.
Looking sweet.
Very nice.
I'll hit the nubs on the way down. Yeah.
So, Steve,
Yeah.
what is this? Or Dave?
That
Either
is a
one.
Tree well, actually.
That is a hell of a tree wall. You want to go down?
Very dangerous.
Head first?
There, will you we'll head first? Snow collapsing. Hey, I'll go in. We'll have a demo into the tree well.
Yeah, perfect. Montana does not like it.
You're too short.
Okay.
Demonstrate plunge stepping for us.
Here we go. Very natural. Unstaged.
All right, we are done. We're down here at the cars. Yeah. I think we all agree this hike had it all.
Yep.
It snowed on us. We were wondering what the temperature was up on top, and Thomas, your water
My
tube
water tube
froze. So it was below freezing. And most of us are wearing, or some of us anyway, are wearing short pants. So that explains why it felt so damn chilly, is because it was chilly.
Birthday cookies.
We had birthday cookies and the birthday boy. We came down way, way quicker than we went up.
Yes.
Yeah, which was lots of fun. So overall, perfect Thursday evening. Thanks for joining us.
Wait, George. Did we do
George?
something special tonight?
As Doug mentioned, the elements reinforced in our minds that we have cheated death again on Thursday night.
Woohoo! I'll drink to that. And this video is dedicated to my 43 loyal subscribers. Yay!
The faithful 43.
The faithful 43. God, what happens if I go to 44?
Whoa, party.
I was fearing it. Anyway, thanks for joining us. We'll see you next week.